Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Right guys, today I'll be showing you how to install Widgetable on your lock screen. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Widgetable, if you already do not have a profile, or at the end you can go and join as a guest. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have three tabs. We have the Explore tab, we have the Wallpaper tab, and the More tab. But now, let's see how you can actually go and install Widgetable on your lock screen. So, as you can see, out of all of these options here in the Explore, we have the Featured and Lock Screen, Lab, Pets, Friends, and Home Screen. Of course, what we want to click on is the lock screen. So here you have a couple of things that you can put on your lock screen. So we have the plant, we have the countdown, we have the Widgetable pet, we have the friends, we have the horoscope, a lot of things. For instance, you want to go and put let's say a daily timer on your lock screen. What you need to do, guys, is click on that daily timer, put everything that you of course need to put in any of those widgets that you put, click save, and it will be on your lock screen. So guys, that's everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.